guys, we are back for another $20 Goodwill challenge. What will we find today? So guys, it's that time again. It's time for our $20 thrift store challenge. Our first thrift store challenge for 2025. So in my previous videos, I told you guys that glass and silver are on trend for 2025. I use glass and silver to decorate in my home. I told you guys that I like to source those items from the thrift store because we can get them at a very affordable price. Normally, thrift stores, they have gotten really outrageous on their prices lately. They think they're really a store and charging full retail price for some items. Like, oh my gosh, it's crazy. Leave me a comment down below. Is your thrift store really expensive? Have their prices gotten overinflated? Like, what's happening? Like, it's a thrift store. Anyway, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if your prices are higher than normal. I think they started getting high after the pandemic, but they just seem to keep going up and up and up. So yeah, it's getting harder and harder to find those really neat decor pieces at a very affordable price, but we are still going to try, and that is what we are going to do today. So in today's video, we are going out, we are looking for silver items, and we are looking for some glass items. So if you want to see what we're going to find, just make sure you keep watching. So today we are looking for some glass items that we can use in my home for the upcoming spring season. Now, I am going to be very particular and very selective in what we pick up. This silver piece is really nice, but it's small, and I'm going for a very high-end look, so we don't want a bunch of small pieces. We're looking for something with a little size on it, like this glass vase. It's very affordable at $4.99. It's on trend, it's very modern, it's a glass piece. So this might be something I bring home, but make sure you watch until the end to find out.
No one's gonna hold you back. You and I have different ways. I don't like how you misbehave.
Now this piece is very nice. It's only $1.99. It's medium size. I love the design on it, but yeah, not really what I'm looking for, and I'm trying to be more intentional with the things that I'm bringing into my home this year.
Care about what you do. You gotta give a little.
Now this piece caught my eye. It reminded me of those pieces from Namby, and I was checking to see if it was a Namby piece, but it wasn't, so I did decide to leave it in the store. Now this dinnerware set really caught my attention. It is very affordable. The smaller saucer was $9.99. The plate was $1.99, and these are from Pier 1. Oh my gosh, it was so hard. I debated, do I need these? Do I not need them? You guys know I have a lot of dishes. I didn't need them. So eventually I did go ahead and leave them in the store, but I did keep thinking about them for quite a while.
You gotta give a little just to get a little, or you'll never find success. If you don't give a little just to get a little, no one's gonna hold you back. There's something about you. There's something about you. You don't care about what you do. You don't care about what you do. You gotta give a little just
Now, I am always on the lookout for crystal pieces, and this picture for just $5 was a great price. But again, I'm trying to be more intentional, so I did not pick it up. There were a lot of nice things, but mostly not anything that I would want to bring into my home. So we're going to take one last look around, and then I'll meet you right back at home. All right, guys, we are back from our thrifting adventures, and you know, there was a lot of stuff in the store, but not what we were looking for. We are looking for some silver and glass pieces, and not just any silver and glass pieces. They have to be very intentional purchases, something that is going to go with everything else that we already have in our home. We're not picking up random items. So in today's $20 thrift store challenge, we did not find a lot, but what we did find, I am very happy with what we found. So I told you previously, even though our budget is $20, if we find something that puts us a little bit slightly over, I'm going to go ahead and pick it up, because chances are it's not going to be there when I go back. So yeah, so let's go ahead and start out with, since we just finished with Christmas, I'm going to start with this item. This piece I found is from Southern Living. And oh my gosh, guys, this is a new, never been opened box of ornaments from Dillard's. They are mercury glass lighted garland, and look how nice that is. Oh my gosh, so nice. They were $35 at Dillard's, and we were able to pick these up for, what is it, $5 or $6? $5.99. I need to put my glasses on, I can't see. Bear with me. Okay, $5.99. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, and these are gonna look so nice in our decorating for Christmas this year, 2025, because you know, we are using silver. So I thought that was a great find. So I was very happy to find that. And then the next item I picked up, so I've been wanting some barware accessories, and I saw this really neat marble barware accessory from CB2 that I wanted, but it was like $70, I think. It's $60 or $70. And you know, I don't want to spend that much. Sometimes I'll splurge, sometimes I won't. Sometimes I might be in the mood to just like, well, sure, I'll just go ahead and get it. But that was not one of those times. So when I was in the Goodwill and I saw this one, again, brand new, never used. This is a Better Homes and Garden bar set, and it has never been opened. And we picked this one up for $7.99. I don't know how much this is normally from Better Homes and Garden. If I can find the pricing, I will leave it here. But I thought, you know, I don't like the color of this block. So I am going to paint that black, and I think it would look really nice with the silver. Don't buy my nails, I need to get them done. But I think if we paint this block black, it would pop with the silver. Again, see, silver. And for $7.99, I thought that was a great price. So I went ahead and picked that up. And then to go along with glass, we're bringing in, you know, silver and glass. I have a lot of glass. But when I saw these, I didn't have these, and I thought, hey, look at these. They sort of look like oversized champagne glasses, but they're candle holders. Look how nice these are. So I figured we can style stagger them and maybe put in some black candles, or maybe some silver candles, or who knows, we might use them in a different way. But these were $2.99. So I went ahead and picked these up. These two pieces is what put me slightly over budget, and I debated, should I get them? Should I not get them? Should I leave them? Bring them home? You don't need anything else? You have a lot of shit already? Sorry. But yeah, I went ahead and got them anyway. So yeah, I think these are really nice. I think they will be really nice once they are cleaned up. And then the last thing that I got while we were thrifting, again, bringing in silver, is this vase. Look at this vase. It's so nice. And it was $5.99. It normally came from the at-home store for $12.99. I didn't see any chips or any imperfections on it. So for $5.99, I thought this was a great deal to go ahead and pick up, and we can style this. I'm thinking maybe in the kitchen. Yeah, or maybe upstairs in the loft. But for $5.99, I went ahead and picked it up. So I thought that was a great price. So guys, that is everything that we picked up for our $20 thrift store challenge. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the items I picked up. And I think in our next video, we are going to style these items. I think I'm going to start a new series where I've been seeing videos where people do thrifted versus styled, or style versus thrifted. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Do you want to see, when I do this $20 thrift store challenge, do you want to see me style the items that we purchased in that same video? I think that would be good. But leave me a comment down below and let me know. So with that, my friends, that is everything that I have to show you today from our $20 thrift store challenge. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if there are any items that you would like to see me source or look for at the thrift store to show you how to decorate with them in your home. I thought about that as well. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know you would be interested, if you would be interested in that. Or leave me a comment down below and let me know what type of video content you would like to see for 2025. I will let you know that I am changing my upload schedule. I used to upload videos on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. My upload schedule is now going to change, and videos will be uploaded on Saturday, Tuesday. Is that right? Thursday, Saturday, and Tuesday. Those are going to be my new upload days. Thursdays, Saturdays, and Tuesdays. So completely new schedule. So if you are enjoying my videos, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the new uploads. I know sometimes YouTube, for whatever reason, won't alert you when a video has gone live. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of those videos, because we have lots of budget luxury, budget-friendly home decorating inspiration coming your way for 2025, featuring some thrift store items, some items that we already have. I'm not trying to buy a lot this year, guys. I have a ton of stuff already. I don't need to buy anymore. As a matter of fact, I think this year I'm going to be selling a lot of stuff on Facebook Marketplace and yard sales when they come out. Or maybe I might sell things online. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you would be interested in a virtual yard sale. That might be fun, but you'd have to pay shipping because your girl she doesn't have money like that, so she wouldn't be able to ship it to you. So if you won, you would have to pay shipping along with the item. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if that would be something you were interested in. But anyway, I'm rambling. So leave me a comment, guys, and let me know what you would like to see for 2025. And with that, my friends, I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.